Introducing the 2020 Nissan Titan, with the most standard power, tech, and safety features in its class. Under the hood, every Titan has a retuned 5.6-liter V8 with 400 horsepower. That's more muscle for towing, hauling, and off-roading. And the smooth new 9-speed auto always helps you stay in that sweet spot for both power and efficiency. But power is only part of the story. It's the smart technology that really sets the 2020 Titan apart. When you're cruising on the highway, you'll love intelligent cruise control, which can automatically adjust your speed to stay with the flow of traffic. And every Titan comes with standard Safety Shield 360, a suite of 6 advanced safety features, which can help keep you on track with smart technology, like lane departure warning and blind spot warning. This is a truck that always has its guard up to help provide you a safer, more confident drive, no matter where the road takes you. You'll even see better with the redesigned headlights with LED running lights. And you can get the most out of them using high beam assist, which can dim your high beams for oncoming traffic automatically. Everywhere you go, Titan grabs attention for its aggressive new look. It's been upgraded from the grille to the tailgate with new style and smarter technology, but it still has many of the features that made this truck a legend. And inside, the Titan has stepped up its game even more. There's a holder for 2 smartphones, or even a tablet, so you can get connected to the bright new 9-inch touchscreen display that's 30% larger. You'll have seamless Apple CarPlay compatibility standard.
Find local mountain bike trails.
Here's what I found.
So you can put your favorite apps to work. All you need is your voice.
Text Mike.
What do you want to say?
Stopping for coffee. Do you want anything?
And everyone will love letting the rays in with the new dual-panel panoramic moonroof. With Nissan Connect concierge services, you can connect anytime to a live person who can help with travel recommendations, restaurant reservations, personal shopping, and more. And Safety Shield 360 has your back with rear automatic braking, which can help bring you to a complete stop to avoid colliding with stationary objects you might not see behind you. It's tech like this that lets you drive Titan with not only more confidence, but also more awareness of your surroundings. The intelligent around view monitor helps you finesse the full-size Titan into the tightest spaces. This is a truck with protective instincts. It can help you avoid vehicles you don't see coming with rear cross-traffic alert. And it's not just other vehicles that Titan looks out for. Titan can detect a person in front of you and bring you to a complete stop. It's yet another layer of safety you get with every Titan. The 2020 Nissan Titan, with the most standard power, tech, and safety features in its class. Titan is rigorously backed by America's best truck warranty. This is tech for doing. This is Nissan Intelligent Mobility.